What is the number one thing that one needs to accumulate wealth? Spoiler alert, you don't need money to make money. If you have two choices, option A, to receive $1 million, and option B, to learn how to make $1 million, which of these two options would you choose? I want to believe that many people will pick option A and take the $1 million and walk away. So why would any normal person leave $1 million on the table and pick option B? The simple answer is this. If you learn how to make $1 million, you can use that same knowledge to make 2 million, 5 million, or even 1 billion. I don't know about you, but I hear many people give this advice. If you want to make a lot of money, go to school, get good grades, and after graduation, get a job at a big, stable company and save money for retirement. Growing up, I believed this was a brilliant idea, and I followed it meticulously. It took me 15 years to realize this idea was flawed and it was not taking me where I wanted to go. Whatever I made in salary, the government took a big chunk of it in the form of taxes. I was living a comfortable life, but I wasn't accumulating wealth, or at least at the rate of which I'd hoped for. This forced me to ask myself this question. Why do other people accumulate great wealth while others struggle to pay for necessities? How many millionaires or billionaires do you know that have achieved such massive wealth from earning a salary? Very few, right? By wealth, I mean achieving financial freedom and time freedom. In other words, doing what you want, when you want, wherever you want, with whom you want. It took me a long time to realize that a job will only pay you just enough for you to keep coming back to work, but not enough for you to be wealthy. If you want to be wealthy, you must unlearn most of the flawed financial advices you had growing up and learn new information about money. Wealthy individuals know that a salary is the highest taxed source of income, and they avoid it like a plague. Instead of a salary, they receive dividends, interest, capital gains, royalties, among other less taxed income sources. Wealthy individuals also understand the power of leverage and how to use it correctly to build generational wealth. Rich people use leverage in many ways, and some examples include hiring employees to produce more goods and services, hiring experts to obtain critical information they need to make quick decisions, investing in other people's ideas, or using other people's money to buy bigger businesses they cannot buy with their own cash alone. So let me present to you that you don't need a lot of money to accumulate wealth, but you need the right kind of information to make a boatload of money. When I understood this concept, I was able to buy a business worth a couple of $1 million using $24,000 of my own money. You too can amass insane amount of wealth if you have the right information, surround yourself with the right people, and you are not afraid to fail. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.